Net income up 55%, consolidated revenue up by 8%. Can you replicate this performance in the second half?
Good morning. Thank you for having me. It's great to be here. Yes, we think we can. That's why we have revised our guidance. We have revised it upwards. And we are now waiting for 14 to 16% growth in our EBITDA and more than 30% growth in our passengers and significant growth in our net income for the second half, for the year.
Before I dig a bit deeper, can I just ask about the political and the economic backdrop? Because you seem to be thriving despite what's going on in the background. Yesterday, we had President Trump threatening sanctions because of this detention of this American pastor. Can you weather sanctions if they are implemented?
I mean, the reason our company has performed so well is we are kind of risk averse and also seen as a defensive company, and tourism numbers have been booming. And yes, we've been watching the news and the tweets since a couple of days. Hopefully it will be resolved, and we hope that it won't have a big impact on the business.
I mean, I'm sure you've been watching and are aware more than anyone what's going on with the president and the Turkish central bank and the movement in the lira, the bond market and the stock market. It seems the president wants to have more of an influence on monetary policy. The central bank didn't hike rates this week. The lira plunges, bond yields rise. How difficult is it to operate with that as your economic backdrop?
Yes. I mean, I think TAV has a certain advantage over other Turkish corporates, being, earning the revenues in hard currency. But as with any Turkish corporate, any type of uncertainty, instability, or economic problems would affect all Turkish corporates. So it would be good to just have the trust and stability of the economy on the long-term horizon.
Let's ask some more specific company questions. I know you're interested in Sabiha Gökçen International, that stake that Malaysia Airports is selling. Are you still interested? Can you tell us about this interest?
Yes. Yes, I mean, being in Istanbul and operating Atatürk Airport for the last 18 years, we're always interested in deals in Turkey, especially interested in deals in Istanbul. And so far, we had 2 attempts to purchase Sabiha shares, but the existing shareholder had a right of first refusal, so we weren't able to purchase any shares. But of course, our interest continues. It's just that we are on a wait-and-see mode, and there's no active process going on among us at the moment. But of course, the future will show it.
Can you tell us about the offer that the government's made to you because of the closure of your main hub, Istanbul Atatürk, later this year? Has the government made you an offer? What exactly is it to compensate you?
Yeah. So, as you know, this compensation issue has been on the table since the tender of the new airport. So the government, the State Airports Authority, has confirmed and comforted us and all investors that our losses will be compensated. The studies for the valuation of that amount has already started with independent advisors on both sides, and meetings continue. The aim is the formula and the amount to be resolved before the closure of the airport.